Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, I shall bring you this story, and on first appearance it might appear to be a bit of a nothing story, but we shall discuss it afterwards. So I'll bring you the story first, and here's the headline: Budget 2020. I have a cold because I am working hard. This is attributed to Malam Buhari. So this is Malam Buhari presenting the 2020 budget at the Senate. So again, the headline: Budget 2020. I have a cold because I am working hard. So this is Malam Buhari saying this. So now let's get into the body of it. President Muhammadu Buhari on Tuesday has said that he is suffering from a cold. He, however, attributed his ailment to his hard work as the president of the country. Buhari disclosed this whilst presenting the 2020 appropriation bill to a joint session of the National Assembly in Abuja. Immediately after observing protocols and before presenting the details of the bill, the president apologized for his voice. He said, "Before I proceed to read the details of the budget, let me apologize for my voice. As you can hear in my voice, I have a cold because I am working hard." The comment attracted loud laughter and applause from all those inside the chamber, including the president of the Senate, Ahmed Lawan, Speaker of the House of Representatives, Femi Gbadabiamila, federal lawmakers, state governors, members of the Federal Executive Council, and leaders of the ruling or progressive Congress, amongst others. So really, that's just the summary of it. But the real thing that I'm taking out of this is this guy saying that he's having a cold because he's working hard. One, the first port of call is a cold has nothing to do with working hard. Cold is really weather related. So for you not to know this is already speaking to that low wit that we're continuously identifying with this Malam Buhari guy. Because I mean, who has colds because of hard work? You don't get cold because of hard work. And then again, that hard work is the next port of call. What hard work exactly is Malam Buhari doing in Nigeria, a nation that is falling apart minute by minute, second by second? Everything has gone to pots in that country. And this guy sits in Aso Rock, hiding behind his minions. You never hear his voice except for once in 4 years when he's doing the elections. And really, he just speaks during the election, really, because he doesn't really care. He knows that the election is going to be rigged in his favor anyway. He's just putting up an appearance to fulfill all righteousness, but he knows that the election is going to be rigged because all the machinations of rigging are already in place. So this is now this guy now going to the Senate to say that hard work actually induces cold. I have never heard such a thing. Even the people working in Antarctic, they won't tell you that hard work induces a cold, but Malam Buhari, ever the dons that he is now saying that because this is now how he's going to impress them, that look, I'm falling sick or working hard for you. Meanwhile, this guy is just flenjoing in Aso Rock, putting toothpick in his mouth and making empty-headed noise via his minions. Conversations in the comment section. Malam Buhari has actually now discovered that hard work actually induces cold. So all the medical experts in the world can now go learn from this discovery. Maybe he will publish a paper in the medical journals so that all the health experts in the world can now find out all about this new discovery by the Malami. Conversations, as I said, in the comment section. But before you come join me to engage in this, rather is a bit frivolous but also quite pungent conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of the ridiculousness of the Malami that purports to be the president of Nigeria in the comment section. So I'll leave you here joining comments, but here I say peace.